technical people, we use most of the time transaction code or a T code, we call it as a short form, T code, SE38. SE38 is the T code. To go to ABAP editor. ABAP editor is the editor where ABAPers will be writing programs. Okay. So now give the transaction code in command prompt and click on enter button or this continue. Enter. This is also enter, or you can use keyboard enter. So this is the ABAP editor initial screen. So this is the ABAP editor screen. So here program and create a display change buttons are there. Now here, if you want to create a program, new program, the first and foremost thing is name. In SAP, if you want to create any new objects, that means that any custom objects is nothing but addition to existing things. Okay, SAP is given the complete application. On top of that, you are creating your own, some objects to the existing objects. Okay, that time all the names should be starting with the either G or Y, capital letter. Okay, sorry. Anything. It can be caps or small. Okay, so either G or Y, you should go. You should use the first letter. Okay, Z. Just a sample. I'm using. So just follow this naming convention. It will be easy for you guys. Like I'm using 101 my user details and 1. So G is mandatory. Either G or Y it should be there. And this sample, I'm just using, since it is a sample program, so I'm just using sample, or it can be anything, you can use it. But again, you just use underscore and then user, whatever the user you have given, that user details you just provide and underscore 1. So kind of sequence numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. First program, second program, like that. Okay. With that, easily you can count how many programs at the end of the training I have written. Okay. So I can, damn sure, like you'll be writing more than 40 to 50 programs by end of the program, by end of this training program. Okay. So once you provide the program name, now you are going to click on create button. Okay. Once you click on create button, you will be having a pop-up screen here, one pop-up, where you should provide a title for the program. So it is a sample program. And then after providing a title, one more input box you should fill, that is type under attributes. That is, you just select for time being executable program. We will discuss all those things, what it is, executable, include programs, all those things. But as of now, you just select executable program and then click on save button. Okay. Please note it down, this navigation, guys. It will be easy for you to practice after class is over. Okay. Click on save button. Yes. Now one more pop-up. Here it is asking where this program should store. Okay. So for time being, just go with a local object. Click on local object. We will discuss all these things in detail, but just in part of navigation, I want to show this program creation and execution, all those things. You just, write it down, this navigations. Click on local object. Yes. We came to ABAP editor. Okay. So this is our, for ABAPers, this is the playground. Here you play, with your ABAP programming expertise. So now, like other programming languages, this is also, all keywords driven programming language. Okay. So generally any programming language will be there a functionality kind of to display something to output, right? So same way ABAP also that functionality to display some text into the output. How it can be done in the web program? For that we have a keyword called write. Write is a keyword to display anything, any text into the output. First, ABAP program. Okay, it should be within single quotes that the text should be, and then finally ending with period. Every ABAP statement should be terminated with a period, full stop. Okay, so that's it. So write is a keyword to print something into the output, and then here syntax, if you see, write space, and then whatever the text you want to print, and end with the period. Okay, assume that this is the simple program I wanted to write. I have written. Now what I should do to execute this program? So mandatorily you should follow 3 steps before executing any program. First thing is you should save it. Okay, yes, now whatever you have written, it has been saved. Okay, and then after that you should do syntactical check whether my coding is syntactically right or not. Okay, with this option you'll come to know. Check, no syntax errors found in report, so and so. Now it is clear, it is saved and no syntax errors. The another activity which mandatorily you should do before executing, that is activate. See, if you see the current report status will be inactive. Okay, so inactive objects are not useful for the execution. Always active objects only you can execute them. So you should activate it. And one more thing, once you activate the object, then only this program will be stored permanently in the system. Okay. So just click on activate button. To activate also, the program should not having any syntactical errors. If at all it has a syntactical errors, it will not allow to activate it. So now it is active. Now it is ready for execution. To execute, we have execute button called direct processing. Our shortcut key is F8. Okay, I'm just clicking F8. See, whatever I have written, my first ABAP program, that text, and this is the title. The title we have given, right? After click on create button, we got a pop-up. There we have given a title. That is the title. Suppose if you want a different title, now you guys know where you should give that title.